Welcome to Rep Empower. I'm Dr. Phil Klein. A handpiece is an extension of a dentist's hand, like a brush for a painter. Dentists need different types of handpieces for different applications. When they need to replace their current handpiece or buy a new one, it's important for you to know, as a sales rep, what's right for your customer. This Rep Empower video will showcase how to find the right model and what you need to know to help your doctor make the best handpiece decision. Joining us today is Alfred Hyrapetian, Senior Product Manager at NSK America. Alfred worked as a technical sales engineer and product trainer in 4 different continents over the past 20 years. He has spent time in handpiece repair shops in Japan and the US, worked with NSK engineers, dentists, and technicians, and learned firsthand from experts about the development, installation, and operation of NSK products. Alfred, thanks for joining us on Rep Empower.
Thank you, Dr. Klein. It's a pleasure to be here.
How do you determine if air or electric handpieces are best for the customer?
Well, that's a great question. The fact is, regardless of the type of office that you walk into, high speeds are by far the most common handpiece in dentistry. They are used for a wide range of applications, from cutting hard material like enamel to crown, polishing, finishing the surface of composite, cutting bridges, all sorts of applications like that. But then when you want to decide between air or electrics are hands down the best option because they cut better, faster, and cleaner than any air-driven in the market. They're the newer technology compared to the air-driven. Not new because they've been around for more than 20 years, but newer than air-driven handpieces. They have perfectly consistent speed at a very high torque, very quiet, and they provide a very smooth, and I would say, effortless type of cutting. So now you might ask that how come not everybody is using electric handpieces? The fact is they used to be heavy, bulky, and expensive, and that was the main reason to keep a lot of doctors away from electrics. Now, we have changed this using our NLZ micromotor and Z95L. That combination by far is the lightest and the smallest handpiece in the market.
What are some of the key things a rep needs to know when talking to a dentist about NSK handpieces?
All right, so I'd like to share my screen here. So for air-driven high-speed handpieces, basically there are 3 major factors that you need to consider. As for a coupler type handpiece, the head size, that could be standard or mini. The back end, meaning that what type of coupler it's going to. And for our Z series, it's available in NSK or Cavo or ADEC, coupler types. And the tier of the handpiece, meaning that what type of class or category of the handpiece is suitable for that application. Again, for our air-driven handpieces, we have 3 different tiers, starting from basic M series, medium tier X, to top tier Z. Now, the Z line has got more power and a longer warranty, 30 months, like 2.5-year warranty, and is quieter, has got more output power. So longevity, quietness, all those better specs are available in our top tier Z series. So these are 3 things that you need to consider when you're talking about air-driven handpieces. For electrics, it's a little bit more simple because majority of electric handpieces in the market are what they call E-type connection, and the back end is universal. The motors are either a built-in type motor on the delivery unit, or they could be retrofitted, and the connection is a universal E-type connection. Now, from there, you choose the type of handpiece that goes into that motor. And again, although we have 3 different tiers of handpieces available, Z is our top tier, meaning it has got more longevity, better warranty, more precision, a better precision, and the head size and neck size is smaller than any other handpiece in the market. And they're available in, again, high speed, low speed, the surgical ones, but here we focus on the high speed. And last but not the least, it's very important to talk about the maintenance. It starts a very good conversation with a doctor who's got handpieces and they're having some problems with their handpieces. So we are there to solve those problems. You start a conversation from maintenance. And we have two different solutions there, either automated way of maintaining the handpiece and lubricating and cleaning them using our eye care machine, or using Penna spray, which is a lubricant with alcohol that cleans and lubricates the handpieces. The good thing is there are videos to show how to operate those machines and spray cans for maintaining and cleaning the handpieces, which is available on our website, which is nsktech-us.com. You can go there and get all sorts of information about the handpiece types, how to maintain them, and how to operate those machines.
Thank you, Alfred. We appreciate your input.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
I would like to thank NSK America for sponsoring this video. See you next time on Rep Empower.